You're watching How Leap. Let's explore over 20 iOS hidden features Apple didn't tell you about. In the Camera app, press and hold the shutter button for burst photos and slide it left to lock for continuous video recording without holding. In Messages, double tap a sent message with 2 fingers to instantly react with a heart. On the lock screen, long press any notification to quickly reply without unlocking. In Safari, tap the AA icon in the address bar to instantly request the desktop version of a website. In the Notes app, shake your iPhone to undo typing. For faster charging, enable airplane mode. In the Calculator app, swipe left or right on the number display to delete the last digit. To measure objects more accurately, use the Measure app's built-in level by switching to the Level tab. Customize your control center in Settings for one-tap access to screen recording or hearing aids. Use back tap in Accessibility settings to double-tap the back of your iPhone to take a screenshot. For privacy, quickly disable app tracking in Settings under Privacy and Security. Use live text in your camera to copy text from the real world. In Mail, swipe right slightly to quickly flag an email. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.